On this video, I will guide you through how to lock WhatsApp without needing any third-party app. And this trick actually work on both Android and also on iPhone devices. And if you have any questions while watching this video, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply immediately once I see it. And do consider smashing that subscribe button if you find this video helpful. Alright, let's get right to it. Now to do this, simply open your WhatsApp app on your mobile device. Now, once you're in here, you have to click on your option button and then you click on settings. Once you're in settings, click on privacy and then just keep scrolling down. You're going to see app lock. So click on it and then you have to turn it on. So once you turn it on, it's actually going to ask for your biometric. So once I insert my fingerprint, now it's on. So now you have to select if you want it to lock automatically immediately after you leave the app, like when you close your WhatsApp app, or you want it after 1 minute, or you want it after 30 minutes. So for this video, I'm going to be doing it immediately after I close my WhatsApp app. So this setting is set now. So let's give it a test run. So let me close my WhatsApp app. It's even asking for it already. But let me just close my WhatsApp app, like leave the app. So once I come back to my app right now, you are going to see it. It's going to ask me for my fingerprint, and also I can also use my password as well. So this work perfectly fine. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 1,000 subscribers for a while now, and it have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, I can get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now, I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.